We purchased this in 2012, and so we've been working on it ever since. Love it, love it. And again, started the lavender farm because all of this space, we decided this is just my gig because I love to garden. Yeah, now this is a very big garden, but yeah, and we call this area, or our farm, Wabi Sabi Gardens. So we kind of wabi sabi it, we say. I have big plans for that Gator because we just started a lavender farm, and so we are going to be doing a lot of harvesting of lavender, and then potentially we're going to be doing wedding venues here. So we have a lot that we can use that for, and yeah, it's going to be a beautiful addition to our property here. I love my John Deere equipment, actually, especially my lawnmower right there, my S120. I absolutely love it because I can do all of my yard myself, which is almost 4 acres. The John Deere S120 lawnmower has helped me a lot because I have a John Deere trailer that I pull with it, so we have a lot of trees. I'm always constantly pruning, weeding, whatever it is, and it goes into my trailer, and that baby will carry it for me. I don't have to break my back. And then we have a tractor as well, and that helps us obviously with all the maintenance around this property. Again, with trees, carrying heavy things, dirt, bark, new gravel. And so, yeah, we love our John Deere products, hands down. I think we have a great relationship because I have the trust that is so important to me, and that's why I keep coming back. And I love the John Deere products because they're reliable. Yeah, it's very critical to me to have that trust, and that's why we always go back to Papé.